How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm great. I'm fantastic, ma'am. I'm very well, and this day I'm learning English language, and I'm working on my communication skill. So I'm very happy to meet you, and it's my pleasure to talk to you, ma'am, because we are meeting first time, and I think so. As far as my knowledge, you are an English teacher.
Yes. And yeah, same here with me. And first of all, I would like to thank you to reaching out me and to have conversation. Now I am glad to see you. So let's start with the introductions. May I know about you?
Yeah, why not, ma'am? My name is Muhammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi. I think so. You know very well Ranchi. Have you heard about Ranchi, Jharkhand, ma'am? Yeah, so I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and if I talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer as well as you can say a computer teacher. Actually, I have been a computer teacher, and if you talk about my hobbies, so I like to play cricket and football. So it was my short introduction.
So it's great to know about you.
Yeah.
You are teacher as well as an graphic engineer.
No, I am a graphic designer. I am a
Yes.
graphic designer. I make you can say a poster, flex, pamphlet, this type of poster, product cover, logo design. Suppose if you have a YouTube channel and if you want to make like thumbnail for your YouTube channel, then I can make for you.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah. So you can create. I create design. I create design. Many type of design related to advertisement.
okay. So I can see in future like you would be a great YouTuber.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, actually, it will be my pleasure. It will be my pleasure if I will be a great YouTuber. But yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying to make a good video, and I also trying to speak like good sentence. I don't. Even by mistake, I don't speak any wrong sentence. On my video, I always try to speak a good sentence and correct sentence. I don't try to like. I speak a wrong sentence, it means incorrect sentence even by mistake. So you
Yeah,
can say I keep in my mind. I keep in my mind always.
it's good for you if you are trying a lot. So you will get fluency very soon. And I
Definitely,
can
ma'am.
see you speak good. I'm also we are learners, so whenever we talk, so we make mistake while speaking because
Okay,
we don't have environment and we don't into in speaking in English, so it's natural and making mistake is not good. Making mistake is not a bad thing, it's a good thing because when we are making mistake then we learn from the mistake.
definitely. Suppose you are making mistake, that means you are learning something. But you are not making mistake, that means you are not learning something. So you can
Yes.
say human learn from their mistakes. I also learn from my mistake, ma'am. So don't
Yes.
think that you make mistake while speaking, that what will happen. Yeah, we can make mistake because it's not our first language. It's our, you can
Yes.
say, second or third language. If you
Third
talk about
language.
me, yeah, if you talk about me, English my third language. My first language is Sadri language.
Yes.
Sadri language is spoken in Ranchi, Jharkhand. And second, you can say second language is Hindi, and English is my third language. So yeah, i
Yes.
also i also make mistake while speaking sometimes, but I don't care, because it's
Yeah.
my third
But
language and I am learning English language this day.
yes, but we should keep our mind that we should not repeat the same mistake. This is the
Yeah,
best thing to learn.
yeah. So since when have you been learning English, ma'am? Since when have you been
Uh,
learning English?
to be honest, I have been learning 1 year for one
One
year,
year.
but yeah, but I did not do with this consistency. I took
Okay.
more gaps between during the learning. So now for the 2 months, I have been doing with consistency.
Okay, so as far as my knowledge, I think so you are English teacher. You teach English language?
Yeah, I teach English language for students only.
Okay, so beginner student or intermediate?
Beginner.
Beginner. You teach
He was
beginner student.
he was in small classes like third to fourth standard.
Okay, and you didn't tell me about yourself, I think so. Could you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, why not? And I am Kalpana, and I am connecting to you from Noida. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have done MA, BA, and qualified CTET, UPTET. I used to teach in school as well as deliver tuitions classes. And now I am a learner of English language, so I run a YouTube channel as well as I am a homemaker. I am blessed with two children. Now I am a tutor. I have stabilized my own academy recently, so now I am a tutor as well. That's all about me.
Okay, so right now, like you are teaching in, you are teaching at home or you are teaching in any school?
No, I am teaching at my home.
So yeah, you told me that you have a lot of qualification. You should have, you should have been a like a professor in any school because you have a lot of degree. You have
Yeah,
completed your and you have completed your post graduation. So I can say you should have been a like professor in any school.
yeah, I had tried to get job in a school, but because of the language, so I didn't get the job. That's why I'm learning in English language. When I will be a fluent in English, then I will definitely join a school.
Okay, so in which subject have you completed your graduation or post graduation? In which
Yeah,
stream?
in my graduation, I had ZBC, Zoology, Botany, and Chemistry, and in post graduation, I have English Literature.
Okay, so I can say due to English language, you didn't get any good post due to English language. So after learning this language, maybe I hope you will get a good post in your according to your education, you know, because you have
Yeah.
a lot of yeah.
Thanks for that. And I am very look forward. I am looking forward to get my job after learning this language.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
you told me, you mentioned me like you like sports. So, what kind of sport do you like?
Sports. It means if you are talking about my hobbies.
Yeah.
Actually, when I was in school, that time I used to play football. Mostly I used to play football, but yeah, you can say I was a footballer that time. When I was in school, that time I was a footballer.
Okay. So then you should have go to the sports.
Sorry, what did you say, ma'am? Can you repeat? I could not hear.
You love to play football.
Yeah,
So why didn't you be a sportsman?
yeah. Actually, you can say it was my hobbies. It was my hobby. Not actually, I didn't want to like be a footballer. Just it was my hobby, ma'am. You know, in you can say when I was child, when I was in school, that time I wanted to be a police officer. I wanted to be a police officer, but I could not because I was very weak. I was very weak student in my school.
Because you was weak in academic.
No, you can
Why did
say
you?
I was like a weak student. I was not intelligent student. You know,
Okay,
Yeah.
you was
Actually, I was saying that I have improved myself. I have improved, I have learned English language, and you can say I have also completed my graduation as well as I have also completed my graphic design course. So, because of that, you can say right now I am earning money, and you can say I am not kind of person before I used to be. Right now, you can say I am different.
okay. So
Yeah.
I also want to know about your YouTube channel. Why did you create your channel?
Actually, ma'am, to be honest, I never planned to be a YouTuber. My one time, I think so, 2 months ago. 2 months ago, I talked with one person, she is also YouTuber, and I saw my YouTube video to my friend. Then my friend suggested me, you speak very well, so why don't you make your YouTube channel and why don't you upload your video on your YouTube channel? You should make your YouTube channel and you should upload your video. So you can say since that time, I have been making video and I have been uploading my video on my YouTube channel. But yeah, really, I never plan to be a YouTuber.
Okay. So
And yeah,
yeah. Go ahead.
you also say that I have just created my YouTube channel for those people who are learning English language, who are beginner and who wants to learn English language, who wants to improve their communication skills. So you can say for that people I have created this YouTube channel because many students like who lives in Ranchi, Jharkhand, who lives in village area and who goes to government college, government school. They are English is, you can say, English is not taught.
Yeah.
So yeah, for that people, you can say for those people, they can learn from this YouTube channel.
Yeah. So when did you create your channel?
You can say 1 month ago. 1 month ago, I created my YouTube channel. But in short time, I have completed 375 subscriber in
In
short
one
time
month.
within 1 month. Within a 1 month, yeah, and I'm getting many viewers on my videos.
Okay. So what is the miracle? In 1 month, you got so
Okay.
many subscribers.
You can say, suppose if you make any video but your thumbnail is not good, you don't know how to make good thumbnail, then you are getting less viewers. But if you make a good thumbnail, if you make like a creative thumbnail, then definitely you will get a good viewers.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so
it
you can.
means I will have to learn from you how to make thumbnail.
Yeah, definitely I will teach you. Definitely I will teach you because I'm a graphic designer. I can teach you how to make thumbnail and how to make like a design. But first of all, yeah, actually in nowadays it's easy. If you want to make any thumbnail, if you want to make any design, you can make, because there are many applications available on Play Store where you can download this application and you can learn. And you can say nowadays, ma'am, there are many platforms where you can learn how to make a thumbnail, how to make design. You can learn from YouTube channel. You can learn from YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which app do you use to make thumbnail?
As a graphic designer, I use CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. Actually, three software. Mostly graphic designer use three software: CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. But I mostly use CorelDRAW. It's a big software. Yeah, it's a big software to make design.
Okay.
Man. So you are saying that you want to learn design. You want to learn like a graphic design. So first of all, suppose if you want to learn graphic design course, you have to take admission any coaching center. You have to learn like three software. But I suggest you, as a beginner, I suggest you, if you want to learn any design, then you can use Canva. You can use Canva to make design. Because if you want to be a professional graphic design, then you have to join any class and you have to take course. You have to
Yes.
take. So yeah, you can make design through Canva because there are many software available on Play Store. You can use on your mobile phone. So you can use like a Canva. I suggest you.
I use Canva. With the help
Okay.
of Canva, I make my thumbnail.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I
And
think, yeah, I haven't watched your any video, but yeah, after conversation, I will watch your video, like how to make your how to make your thumbnail.
okay. So
Yes, yes.
I will definitely go on your channel and then I learn how to make thumbnail. Okay.
Okay. So how did you come to know about me, ma'am? Because you sent me message, I think so. I forget, but I think so. You sent me message.
Okay. I don't know. I keep mailing all the viewers when I scrolling my YouTube channel, then I anyone I get to know about he is a good speaker, so I go to mailbox and then I mail. I don't know. You are reaching me out and I have reaching out. I don't know.
And what do you think about me? What do you think about me?
You
I
are,
good or not? What do you think about me?
yeah, absolutely. You are good and you are good speaker than me. And I also learn from
I'm
you.
not better than you. I'm not better than you. You know, you are English teacher. And you have lot of degree. You have completed your graduation, post graduation. But if you talk about me, I have completed only graduation in political science. You know, my honors, my honors subject was political science.
Okay.
Yeah. And your, if I talk about your education, ma'am, your all education happened in Hindi medium or English medium. Where did you study?
Yeah, I got my education in Hindi medium.
Hindi medium.
Yes, that's why I'm
Okay.
facing to converse in English.
Okay, yeah. So when you are in school, that time English is your subject. English was your subject. You learnt English language. Your teacher taught you English
Yeah,
subject.
yeah. My teacher taught me when my teacher when my teacher taught me in English in a Hindi language. They
Okay.
used
So right
Hindi.
now, yeah. So right now, what do you think? Like you can say in India, mostly school, like many school, English is not taught. So what do you think? English language should be taught in all school or not?
Nowadays, the scenario is changed. When I used to study in school, that time language is only Hindi or native language. We are
Yeah.
taught in our native language. So now, like my students, my children go to school and they are learning from the teacher in a English language.
I'm talking about for those people like who goes to like government school, who goes to government school, and they are not able to speak English language because in government school, I think so English is not taught. English is not taught in government school. So I am asking you that English language should be taught in government school or not nowadays.
English your teacher should provide English classes in English language, not English classes. Teacher should provide their classes in English language. It is good for the students who are studying in that school. Like now, English is a trending, and whenever we go to get a job or any kind of workplace, their need of English language. So we we should teach we should teach the students in English. Then they get the environment, and through the environment they get easily. Like we are facing these kind of difficulties while speaking because we don't have environment. If they are taught in English, so it means they are getting environment from the beginning. Like so,
Definitely.
then they don't need to take any other classes in English.
Yeah, but ma'am, for those people who lives in village area, who lives in village area and like who can't afford a good education, who can't like go to like English medium school. So how they will like improve their English communication? How they will learn English language? So I think so. In my opinion, English language should be like taught in like Hindi medium school. You can say government school. You know so that they can learn English language, they can speak in English language, because in nowadays, you can say today's era, English is important. English has become important.